So on that conciliatory, unified note, I want us to adjourn for the day. I think we have 1 minute left. Again, I thank all of the speakers and the moderators. What a terrific conversation. And Marianne will get a chance to give a reflection, I think, again tomorrow. And as you heard, OSHA colleagues are coming. But I would just like to end the day by reminding everybody, although we're talking about authority, I also want to talk about competency. And that's certainly clear that NIOSH is the competent authority in not only respiratory protection, but personal protective technology in the federal government. And we need to not lose track of that because, as I said, I think sometimes there are people that think that they should be in charge of something, but they don't necessarily have the content expertise to be in charge. And for the record, I think it needs to be crystal clear that NIOSH is that competent expertise in this particular arena. Again, my thanks, everybody. We're going to come back together tomorrow at 10:30 and do this for even 1 hour longer than we did it today. So, have your Wheaties for breakfast. So thanks again, everybody, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you, Melissa.
Bye.
Bye,
Thanks,
Melissa.